Minasan, konnichiwa. Zamurai Engineer desu. In this video, let us describe, explain, and introduce our course, which is all about highways and railroads. So, again, I'm your professor, Dr. EYPEI ZANTUA, and let's start with the objectives of this video. In this video, you are expected to be able to describe the course at the end of this discussion. And letter B, recall its specification and references. Letter C, list the topics to be covered. And letter D, cite the details of breathing system. And letter E, remember the course title definitions. CE E4, Highway and Railroad Engineering, or HRE in short. This course presents the methods and principles for the design and control of the elements of road and railroad infrastructure. It also discusses transportation system terminology, flow analysis, characteristics, meaning of the driver, road, and vehicle. So these are the factors involved. Okay, whatever happens on the road, there must be driver, road, and vehicle. Okay, so and road aspects, meaning geometrics, okay, or the shape and the dimension. Okay, pavements, okay, so meaning the surface of the road, maintenance, drainage, and construction. So including after construction, the operation and maintenance. Okay, so let us bear this in mind as the description of our course. To continue, so this is wrong. So this is copy pasted from the previous one. So this must be what? CE E4. CE E4. And this must be HRE. Okay. HR. E. Okay. So that's about it. Let's continue. So this course is a 3-unit course, meaning we will have 3 hours lecture per week. And the prerequisite of this course is surveying or basic surveying or fundamentals of surveying. So meaning to say, we will really use the surveying techniques, methods in measurement and applying those geometrics, no? So the curvatures, the curves, no? Reverse curve and so on, no? PT, PC, no? In order to design a highway and railroad system. So our expected program outcomes with respect to BS Civil Engineering, letter A, we should be able to have an opportunity to apply math and science to solve complex civil engineering problem in this course. Okay, it is also the opportunity for us to design a system or process in accordance with standard. So we will use again the standard, and I am surprised that the standards we are looking for and will use in this course is really unexpected, no? And letter E, identify, formulate, and solve complex civil engineering problems. So after identifying the problem in terms of highway requirements, demands, no? We can formulate to approach the solution of this problem, and then lastly be able to solve it. Okay? And letter G, communicate effectively with the engineering community and society in general. So again, all of these four outcomes from this course are enabling course, meaning application of previous knowledge or strengthening of your previous knowledge. So either one of the two. Okay. So like as you can see, math and science, you have to apply it because you already know everything about this. Because you are third year, I think you are already done with all the mathematics and science courses. So you have to apply it. Okay. While on the design of highways and railroad, we will what? We will strengthen your knowledge about it because you have already an introductory part of this because of the surveying part. Okay, you already finished surveying for introductory part. So what we learn in surveying is really about the preparation for doing the activities required for highway design. Okay, and letter E and G is also strengthening and they are with regards to the actual practice. Okay, actual practice. So we can say that this is actually a professional course because one of the specialization of civil engineering is transportation engineering, and this is a course, although common to all engineering students, is actually leading to the specialty of transportation engineering. Okay. So the course objective is on this slide, and they are the following. So number one, the student must be able to define the basic concepts of highway and railroad engineering and apply it in civil engineering practice. Okay. Number two, in this course, you should be able to recognize the concepts associated with geometric and structural design of highway and railroad system. Geometric, so surveying, precision. Surveying is a precision way of measuring distances, dimension on the ground. Okay, on the ground. Okay. Okay, so because the actual accuracy and precision of surveyed lands and properties is, I think, more and more becoming what? Becoming smaller and smaller, no? Meaning to say the error in the measurement accuracy. Okay. Becoming smaller and smaller, but because the measurement or the boundary of the territorial area, if we are talking of countries,